Good morning, guys. It is May 11th. Yeah, it's my fifth day here. Just kind of getting moving this morning and heading over to Mandalay Bay for Border Grill with some friends, and that's always delicious. So I will show you what we all have to eat. After that, probably just more gambling today. Don't have any specific dinner plans. I'm supposed to go back downtown tonight for an event, but yeah, not sure. I don't know. We'll see if I end up going or not. Last night, the ride home was kind of crazy. Justin Timberlake apparently is in town. He's at T-Mobile, and I'm at Luxor, so that's like real close. And I'm worried that getting Ubers later tonight after the concert gets out is going to be kind of crazy. So we'll see. I'll figure it out. But gambling's still, kind of up and down, up and down. Haven't, oops, let me push the right button here. Okay. Still no big wins, just kind of, hanging in there. I'm down for the trip, but not out, so there's always a chance. I've been good, not going over my daily budget, so, somebody's getting on the elevator, so I'll check in with you later.
Hey guys, I know I haven't recorded much today. I'm at New York, New York. Try a little bit of dancing drums. It has not been nice this trip. We'll see if we can change that. I'll do a few spins with you and then I'll just come back if I can get a bonus. I don't think I've had a bonus on dancing drums this trip. It's just been, I don't know. Alright, if I can get something, I'll come back. Alright, well there's at least a good hit. Back up over my 100 that I put in. I just need to get a bonus, I'm telling you. It's been rough. Drums, ugh. Look at all those drums in the wrong spot. Alright, I'll be back. Well, I did just win the mini. When you're only betting 2 gold symbols, it just automatically gives you a mini. It doesn't even give you a choice to pick. But hey, I'll take it. It was, how much was it? $12.65? Alright, yeah, that's something at least. Now if it would just give me a bonus, I'd be happy. I'm playing a new game, Jewel of the Dragon. I have no idea what this is. Apparently I just got a feature, but I don't know. I got a mini, and there's jewels, but I don't know what I'm doing. So let's learn together. Free game 1 of 5. Do I need to get more jewels, maybe? Okay. Give me a jewel in the mini, please, if you're gonna do it. No. Alright, last spin. Alright. Alright, $13.80. I'm betting 60 cents, so that's not bad. Alright, do it back up. I guess you need to have 3 of the gems or something. Alright, yeah, if something else happens, I'll come back. guys, just sitting at New York Center Bar, just kind of chilling, low rolling, waiting to meet up with some friends. They invited me to go to Mother Wolf at Fountainebleau with them, so I'm going to do that, and I will show you dinner tonight. Should be delicious.
Alright, hello guys. Just got back up to the room. What a fun night. I'm sure you saw the pictures and everything, but we ate at Mother Wolf. Some friends were heading over there. They had a reservation already, so they invited me along. And I'd been wanting to get to Fountainebleau to do the status match. So I was able to do that. So now I have a $150 food credit and $150 spa credit that I can use. That's good up and through the end of the year. So I won't get to it this trip before I go, but I should be back in September. So I can use it then. But dinner at Mother Wolf was so good. I think my favorite was the gnocchi that we had as one of the appetizers, and that lemon linguine. Yeah, lemon linguine. I'll put the exact title in there. I don't remember exactly, but that was really, really good. It reminded me a little bit of the lemon spaghetti at Giada, but slightly different flavor, and the lemon in that just really, really came out. And then we got 3 desserts and just shared. We actually just everything we ordered, we shared with each other and had a little bit of everything, but so good. And then we all decided it's probably a good idea to get home because apparently there's 3 concerts right down here on this end of the strip. Justin Timberlake is at T-Mobile, Shania Twain was at Planet Hollywood, and the Stones are at the stadium. So when all those concerts get out at the same time, it's gonna be a crazy mess. So I'm glad that we got a lift and got back before all that happened. So now I'm just gonna relax a bit here, let my food digest before I try to go to sleep. And I don't think I recorded much gambling because there wasn't really any winning today. It was just kind of sad. But I did get to walk around a little bit, so you'll have seen all of that. Tomorrow I have a appointment at the spa for a facial, so I'm excited about that. I don't think I've ever had a facial before. I've gone to the spa for massages and things, but I've been wanting to do a facial, so I'm excited to try that. So obviously I won't be able to show you that, but I'll tell you about it once it's up. And then have reservations for, tomorrow's Mother's Day. Have reservations with a friend for dinner, or actually like a late lunch at Javier's over at Aria, Mexican place. So that'll be good. But so now I'm just gonna sit here and relax, and I'm sure I'll sleep good tonight with all that food. But again, thank you for sticking around with me and for watching. And I've still got a couple more days left to show you, so stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and you'll get notification of the next videos when they come out. Alright guys, thanks so much and good night.